Welcome to the DTSC's Safer Products and Workplaces. This chart shows our position in the agency. It consists of 4 areas: Safer Products and Workplaces Program, Health and Safety, Product Research, and Operations. The purpose of DTSC's Safer Consumer Products Regulations is to identify and implement the use of safer alternatives for hazardous ingredients in products that consumers buy and use. We aim to reduce the use of harmful materials used in consumer products. Basically, our goal is to have safer and healthier products for the consumers. There are 4 key stages in California's Safer Consumer Products Regulations. Number 1, chemical prioritization. Number 2, priority products. Number 3, alternatives analysis. Number 4, regulatory responses. The candidate chemicals list is compiled of 23 authoritative lists identified in the Safer Consumer Products Regulation. These lists come from other government agencies in California and around the world. A chemical that appears on one or more of these lists is a candidate chemical. A priority product is a consumer product that contains one or more chemicals, known as candidate chemicals, CC, that have a hazard trait that can harm people or its environment. The Safer Consumer Products Program evaluates the adverse impacts of candidate chemicals in specific products on humans, wildlife, and the environment. Each identified priority product will be listed, and the program will draft regulations that require manufacturers to evaluate safer alternatives. An alternative analysis is a process described in the Safer Consumer Products Regulation that compares the existing priority product with potential alternatives. Upon conclusion of the alternative analysis, the manufacturer will select an alternative chemical ingredient or an alternative product design, or decide to retain the existing product chemical combination. After evaluating the alternative analysis, the program will issue a regulatory response for each priority product that can include the following actions: no response, additional information to DTSC, additional information to consumer, additional safety measure, use restrictions, prohibitions on sales, end-of-life product stewardship, or research funding. Additional information can be found at the website listed. Health and Safety Unit. The Health and Safety Program is a key support program for ensuring that field activities conducted by DTSC comply with the Employee Protection Program required by regulations, while also providing technical support and consultation to the DTSC staff. We also educate staff on potential workplace hazards and how to prevent injury and illness, and administer field safety programs. More information can be requested through mailing or the email address above.